Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to check if someone is using your Instagram account. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to check if someone is using your Instagram account, all you need to do is go ahead and open your Instagram application. On the Instagram app, click on the profile picture at the bottom right to access your Instagram profile. Click on menu at the top right. Now on the menu, you want to go ahead and click on Account Center. Once you click on Account Center, hang on a couple of seconds, and then you want to click on Password and Security. Once you selected Password and Security, locate and click on where you are logged in. Then you should see all devices that have access to your Instagram account. So if you want to log out of any of these devices, just click on the device you want to log out from the list, and then select device to log out. So go ahead and select device you want to log out. Once you selected it, just go ahead and click on logout. Next one that says are you sure? Click on logout to complete the process, and repeat this on all other devices you cannot identify on your Instagram account, and then you are good. So that's exactly how to check if someone is using your Instagram account. If you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.